Hi, so I'm doing a quick unboxing of this Presto Belgian Waffle Bowl Maker. I actually got this at a thrift shop. It was sealed brand new a couple of years ago, so I'm finally going to open it now after 2 years. I saw it on Amazon and other websites. They retail approximately $45. And what I really liked about it is that it allows you to make mini waffle cups so that you can have desserts or like a little fruit bowl or even like a savory omelet type of bowl. I'm really focusing on the sweeter aspect of the Belgian waffles because my kids love that. So let me just open it quickly and see what's inside. I don't know if the brand Presto still makes this bowl, but it's still available. It actually got a lot of good reviews. I was looking at it today. It has about 5,500 4.5-star review, which is really good. So I'm excited about that. I got this at a really good deal. I think I just spent a couple of dollars on it, which is why I bought it, because I'm not a big kitchen appliance unless it's something that is going to be something I use a lot, and I didn't see myself using this a lot since it's taken me quite a bit of time to actually open the box. So this is what comes inside at the very top. It's the instruction. And the instructions have obviously the important safeguard, how to use the maker, how to clean it, some questions and answers. It has a little section with suggestions for the waffle fillings, and it's actually cute, has some recipes. So I will take a closer look at that in a bit. And oh, that's nice. It comes with a limited warranty and some customer information. So as you can see, it's definitely very brand new. And I shall take it out. Nice, I like it. It's not too big. There was more packaging than items. I'm really excited now to use this. Comes nice and sealed. I guess I'll have to look at the instructions clearer, but there's a locking mechanism on the lid. And I'll do a quick measurement. Instead of looking up the measurements, I'm giving you a quick visual. So it's about 6.5 wide. It's about 8.5 deep. And height-wise, it is about 5 3/4 tall. And then let me look inside just to see how deep those little waffle. No, that's kind of hard to do. It's about 2.5 inches deep, maybe, just short of 3. So between 2.5 to 3 inches deep. And then, well, we already saw the width. It's still the same as above here. So the width of the waffle would be about 5 inches. All right, let me see what else there is. I'm just looking around at it. It has nothing else other than the cord, the plug-in cord. It has just one light. Has no other buttons. So I am assuming this is just going to be a pour and shut and wait type of item. no pre-programming, which is good. I'll have to figure out how long I have to cook the waffle for. And then just quickly, since I'm measuring, let's see how long the cord is in case anybody really wants to know how much space they have. I won't be able to show it on the camera, but it is approximately 3 feet. Okay, I hope this answers any questions you may have. I am showing the bottom. I didn't think to do that, but I'm adding this. It just has the model number and the fact that it was patent pending back then. I don't know what happened. And again, this is just a light that shows you it's on, and I'm going to plug it in. And the light is coming on. I don't know if you see that, but there is a little light there. So this is the light when I turned off my backlight. So you can see it's just a signal light, but the minute you turn it on, it actually gets very hot because now it's burning. So just take my word for it. It does turn on. I guess you wait for it to perhaps the light go off. I don't know. I'm not going to guess too much. And then you pour in the batter. But I'll do a separate video for actually cooking a waffle. So again, I showed it earlier, but it was a little fast. This is a push-in lock, and then it opens up. And then before I forget to mention, even though this is still a little hot, is that this is like a non-stick surface. It's almost like ceramic, I don't know, but it is non-stick. And I did read in the instructions that it takes about 3 minutes to 3.5 for that light, once it's red, to go off and to let you know that it is ready for heating. So see, it will be on, and then within 3 minutes to 3.5 minutes, it will go off, and then you will be able to pour your batter. So I will cover that again, as I said, in another video. So thank you, and I hope that helps. Again, I'll do a separate video on how to use it. Have a good day.